In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to program your Ryobi garage door keypad. Now if you already have one and it may have lost its code, you're going to have to reprogram it. Sometimes if the battery's dead and it stays dead for a long amount of time, you'll have to reprogram it as well. And also maybe it's 5-6 years old and the keypad just doesn't work anymore, so you had to buy a new one and you lost your manual or forgot how to program it. I'm going to go with you step by step on how to get this programmed. Now one key feature I can tell you is it's easier to program this not mounted. A lot of times guys will install their garage door, they'll get everything mounted, get this screwed to the outside wall, and then you have to go back and forth between the opener and the keypad. Get it programmed first and then we're going to mount it. Now these come with a battery in the package. Now if it's an older package maybe you bought off eBay, I would replace the battery with a new one. So let's install the battery and get this programmed and garage door working correctly again. First thing we need to do is remove that battery cover and install the battery. Now I recommend you use a small flat blade screwdriver. You don't need to push it in and twist or move up and down. You can just simply push in straight and it will pop loose and then pull straight down, and now we're going to install the battery. And now another tip I have for you, do not reinstall your battery cover because there's a screw hole here that we need to use to mount to the outside of your house. So we just need the battery on. You can go ahead and tuck it inside. Once we get it programmed and mounted, we're going to pull the battery back out, install the screw, and then reinstall the cover. So right now, just leave the cover off. So step 1 on the keypad, you're going to hold down the number 1, then hold down the on program button, release both at the same time. Now wait for it to stop blinking, enter in a 4-digit code, and now go up to your opener and push the program button. So the program button is this button right here. It is to the right of the Wi-Fi button. So after you push the program button on the actual opener, you're going to press and hold on program on the keypad, enter in your 4-digit code again. And once it stops flashing, hit the 0 button. And your opener should open. So now at this point, your door should be open, and just to test it, hit on, enter in the code, and your door should close. At this point, we can go ahead and mount the keypad on the outside of the house. And with a supplied screw, go ahead and put it in anywhere. And you're going to put it in the back of your keypad with this key holder. Make sure you pull it down, and then we're going to install this last screw, install the battery, and then the cover. The top screw in, I've got this slid down so it's nice and tight. Go ahead and put in this screw. And that's why I told you before not to put the battery cover back on, because we still need to do this step. Now make sure you do not over tighten this screw. All you want it to be is just a little bit snug. If you over tighten it, you will crack this. And now just tuck the battery back in place and reinstall the cover. Go ahead and close the lid, and we're done. The process only takes about 5 minutes. Once you've got it done, congratulate yourself on doing it yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you get your garage door working again. And thanks for watching.